Welcome back everyone to another science video. In today's video, we are going to go over poster assessment number 2. In our first assessment, all of you guys did really well. So let's go ahead and stay focused during our review so we know all the answers to our post assessment. Before we get started with our post assessment, let's go ahead and review some things to refresh our memory. Our first slide that we have here is basic needs. Any living thing, whether it be a human, a plant, or an animal, have basic needs. Some basic needs might be food, water, air, and shelter. Animals and humans and plants need these 4 things in order to stay alive every day. We as humans need food, water, and air, and we need a place for shelter. We need a place to stay safe. A plant needs water and sunlight to grow every day. It's very important that you guys water plants every single day and they get plenty of sun. That way plants can grow nice and tall. If I were to put a plant inside in a corner in a room and not water it, do you think it's going to grow? You're right, I don't think so. In order for a plant to grow and to thrive, it needs water and lots of sunlight. Now that we have reviewed some things, let's go ahead and start our post-assessment. Here we have question number 1. Feel free just to write down numbers 1 through 5 and your answer right next on a blank sheet of paper. Let's go ahead and get started. Question number 1 says, which of these do all plants need to survive? Is it A, sunlight, B, salt, or C, rocks? Which one of these 3 things do plants need every day? Question number 2. What does this animal need to survive? Let's think about if you have a pet dog at home. What does your pet dog need every day in order to survive? Does your dog need a collar, a bath, or does they need food? What do dogs or animals need every day? A, collar, B, a bath, or C, food? Question number 3. What must we do to help this kitten stay alive? Does the kitten need A, shelter, B, play with it, or C, cut its nails? Which one of these 3 answers does this kitten need in order to stay alive? Shelter? Do you need to play with it, or does he need his nails cut? Number 4. Which one of these 3 things needs food every day in order to stay alive? Do clouds need food every day, a rock, or a bird? Which one of these 3 things needs food? A, clouds, B, a rock, or C, a bird? Question number 5. What can we do to help this plant stay alive? Does the plant need his leaves cut? Does the plant need to be in a jar? Or does the plant need water? What does the plant need every day in order to stay alive? A, cut leaves, B, be put in a jar, or C, give it water? And that is the end for Unit 5 Post-Assessment number 2. Feel free to submit your answers on Teams, Class Dojo, text, or email. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson and we'll see everyone next time. Goodbye!